My name is YEMELI Rodolphe CHARLY. I'm an MCSA and MCT. I will teach you today how to download and install Power BI Desktop. First of all, you need to have Windows 10 or Windows 11 installed in your PC. Your PC needs to be connected on internet. We have three ways to get Power BI Desktop. The first way is through Power BI site. The second way is through Microsoft Store.
And the last way is through official Microsoft Download Center. What is very important, both two first way will bring you on Microsoft Store installation process. Every installation through Microsoft Store will automatically take the Windows system language by default. Every installation through official Microsoft Download Center will allow you to choose the installation language before to proceed. Let's start the demo. We are in Power BI site, and to download Power BI you need to come to product here, and you will see Power BI desktop. You click on Power BI desktop and you will see the button download free. You click on it and you have this security asks you to open Microsoft Store. You click on open. Now Microsoft Store is open, and you will have here this button to install Power BI desktop. When you click here to install, it will download and install automatically Power BI desktop. So now the second way is when you come here in you connect to your Power BI subscription, you will see here the download. You can click here on download here up here, and you will see Power BI desktop. You have just to click here on Power BI desktop, and the same security that happened before will would appear, and you just have to click open, and it will open Microsoft Store. That's why previously in our presentation I explained that the both two first way will allow you to come here in Microsoft Store process to install your Power BI desktop. And now the third way is to come here. When you come in this link in Microsoft Download Center, you will see the possibility to download Power BI desktop by choosing your language. You can choose the language version of your Power BI desktop. Once you download, when you click here, you will see you have the possibility to download 64 or 32 byte. When you click here, your software will download here, and I will cancel it because I already have it. You will come to download folder here. You will see this file. This file allow you to install Power BI. So to install is just to double click to follow the installation, and you can choose the language here, and when you click to next you can choose yes here, and the process of installation will continue. So here you just need to click next. You choose I accept, you click next, you click next, and you install. Now the installation is completed, so you click finish here. And now if you want to open Power BI, You just need to, you will see it here, Power BI. You just open it. So, and here is it. You just need to register some information, and when completed, you can click Get Started, and you can put your email address and connect to your Power BI subscription. And if you don't have it for now, you can just cancel it. And here is it. You can now use Power BI desktop. Uh, so
We have come to the end of this presentation. Thank you for watching.